In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a curtain wall in Revit. Now to do this, first you want to go to the Architecture tab top left, and then from here you want to click on where it says Wall to open the drop down, and you want to select this first one, which is going to be Wall Architectural, okay? So click on that, and then from here, as you can see, it's the basic wall concrete. What you want to do is click on over here where it says Edit Type, and then up top under Family, you want to switch from System Family Basic Wall to System Family Curtain Wall, okay? So just click on that, and of course you can define the type as well. You have a bunch of different parameters over here which you can change, and then click on the OK button, and as you can see here, there we go, we have the curtain wall. Now to of course create it, you can just go ahead and basically draw your wall over here. Now these are currently overlapping, but of course you get the point. I can just go ahead and create a wall wherever, and it's going to be a curtain wall, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.